I think everyone knows how world-class bowler Jasprit Bumrah is, and till today, I mean, we've bowled him 1 over, we bowled him 2 overs in the power play, but he's never bowled 3 overs in the power play. So we just wanted to try how things go ahead, and we are very happy. We're using him as an attacking option. If he picks 2 wickets, or even if he bowls tight spell of 3 overs, then later on we have good cushion for all the spinners to come over and make our job a little easier. So we want to use him as an attacking option, and he is very happy with it. For a few days or some days, if he has bowled to bowl only 2 overs, he'll bowl only 2 overs. But at least me and the support and the management, we want to use him as an attacking option, and that gives a good platform for someone like Hardik and Shivam Dube also to raise their hand to bowl crucial overs in the end and also in the middle. So we are very happy with that. Kuldeep, I know he was with the test team. He couldn't get an opportunity to play, but he was working really hard on his fitness, on his bowling, and you can see it. 2 games in a row, he's won you the game.
So you're very surprised that they elected to bat first. And on this kind of a wicket, would you have done the same, or it made it easier for you?
No, actually, as I said during the toss as well, that I wanted to bowl first, because when we bowled here in the last game against UAE, in the second innings, the wicket became a little better, and there was a little bit of humidity as well. So I feel we've always been chasing really well. Though we felt if we would have batted, I mean, we would have taken that decision in our stride. But yeah, we felt in the second innings it became a little better. Oh, Lele साहब
बोला स्पिनर्स बहुत ही अच्छा बर्थडे गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं आपको लगातार 2 मैच में.
नहीं, उनको सबको 12 ओवर डलवा दिए, उनके लिए रिटर्न गिफ्ट था ये. मेरे को बट सी उन लोग अच्छा मेहनत कर रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस में दिखता है उनका मेहनत. दे वांट टू प्रिपेयर रियली वेल, और आपको अगर ग्राउंड पे आने के बाद आपको पता चल ही जाता होगा स्पिनर्स को देख के कि हाउ वेल दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड दे आर वेरी क्लियर विद देयर प्लान्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट. इट मेक्स माय जॉब वेरी इजी व्हेन आई एम ऑन द ग्राउंड. दे आर हैप्पी विद द फील्ड्स, दे आर हैप्पी विद द ends which they are bowling from, and it's good to see all the 3 spinners firing and very well supported by Hardik and Bumrah.
हाय, आपको क्या लगा, पाकिस्तान की बैटिंग वीक थी या बॉलिंग?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी बॉलिंग, हमने अच्छी बॉलिंग डाली, और बैटिंग भी जो विकेट का डिमांड था, नीड ऑफ द आवर था, वैसे बैटिंग किया हमने. सिमिलर लाइनअप्स है दोनों के, एक प्योर फास्ट बॉलर, एक ऑलराउंडर, 2-3 स्पिनर, एंड आई फेल्ट हमने एग्जीक्यूट बेटर किया एज अ बॉलिंग यूनिट एंड ऑल्सो एज अ बैटिंग यूनिट.